Sorry. So welcome everyone to my channel. Today we are going to start the MCQ. All right. Okay, just before that we just check everything whether it's okay or not. Yeah, it's okay. It's so hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So again, I brought the video for you. So in my previous video, I have completed up to question number 30, right? So in this video, we are going to start from 31. 31, I hope I can complete 40 videos, right? 40 questions, sorry. So this, once again, I am just repeating that this video only for the students, SSLC students, those who are going to write the metric exam, SSLC exam in the year 2025. So I'm dealing with the subject mathematics, doing the explanations, detailed explanations here. So without any further delay, just let's start question number. I'll start from question number 13. So I would like to request to all the students, so just bring your MCQ. I hope everyone have this MCQ. Bring the MCQ and I will mention the question number and read the questions carefully, because I'm not going to write the questions on the board. It will take a long time. So directly I will write the question number. From the question number, you can check. The question number 31 says that the zero of linear polynomial px is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are real number. Is the options are, I'll write the options. So I'll write the option this side. Minus a by b, this is option A. Then b is minus b by a. Then C option is given, that is minus ab, and D is given a by b, right? These are the options for that question is given. Is it okay? Everything is going on smoothly? Yeah. It's visible on the black from the board? Yes. You can see from the board. Yeah, some comments is already, I have seen some of the comments that is written. Mr. Arpan Mitra, hi sir. Sir, sound is not okay. Sound is okay. There is some problems, I think, in the sound, or is it okay? Let me check whether the sound is okay or not. Sir, sound is not okay. Yeah, I think sound is okay, I think. Okay. What do you think? Some problems, I think, in the sound, or? Yeah, the sound is okay. I don't think there is any problem in the sound. So write in the comment box so that I can check whether sound is okay or not. Clear, it's okay. Some of the comment is fine. Yeah, somebody is writing it's fine. So okay, no problem. So I'm repeating the questions. The zero of the linear polynomial. As you know that in my previous videos, I have already explained what do you mean by linear polynomial. Polynomial whose degree is 1 is known as the linear polynomial. So one linear polynomial is given, px is equal to ax plus b. So this is the polynomial is given to you. All right, it's okay, everything. All right. So this is the polynomials is given to you. This is the linear polynomial. So zeros of this linear polynomial. That means you have to find out the zeros. That means this is a polynomial px, this is a linear polynomial. So we have to find out the 0, right? So put px is equal to 0, because since we are going to find out the zeros, so px is 0. Now put the values of px. What is the values of px? Px is ax plus b. Ax plus b equal 0, right? So now what you have to going to find? You have to find the value of x. That will be the 0 of this linear polynomial, right? So what will be the value of x? So ax being this b that side, so it will be minus b, right? Then what is x? Is minus b by a. This is the value of x, and that is the 0 of this polynomial. So which is the answer? Minus b by a. Where is minus b by a? So b is the answer. So this is the answer, right? B is answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Meanwhile, I'll check the comment. Clean word, hi. Okay, clean word is fine. So it's fine, I think, no problem. Is there any problem in the sound? Can you write? Clean word? Can you write whether the sound is all right or not? Is it audible? Am I audible? Let me write in the comment box so that I can pause it. Otherwise, I have to adjust, right? Cleaner, can you write on the comment box whether I am audible or not? Somebody is written Mitra. Arpan Mitra is written. Okay, so no problems. I want more comment so that I will proceed smoothly without any hassle. All is fine. Okay, no problem. Arpan, sir, Arpan, yes, I think students. Arpan Mitra, he wrote, all is fine. Okay, no doubt. So we have find out the values of x, that is the 0. So for some more examples, I want to show you. Sorry. I will make it more clear. Suppose, for example, this is another example. I'm taking the example. Suppose px, one polynomial is given 2x plus 3, right? Can you tell me what polynomial is it? Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial? Yes, it is a linear polynomial because degree is 1. Suppose in that case, suppose if I take the value of so you are going to find out the zeros of this polynomial. So what we have to do? You have to take px is equal to 0, right? Px is equal to 0. Then now put the values of px. This value is given px. This is based on that question. So, okay, this is an example. So how we'll find another example. So what you have to do? You have to find out the value of x. That is, what is that? So minus will go that side. So minus x. So what is the value of x? Minus 3 by 2. So this is the 0 of any polynomial. So in that way, you can find out, right? If it is given some other question also, you can easily find out, no problems. Is it okay? Is it okay, everything? Everything is fine? Okay. All right. Now we'll proceed to question number 32. What is that? For any polynomial px, if pa is equal to 0, then a is called. Then a is called. If a polynomial is given and you got the result is 0, then what is the a? Then what is the a is called? Let me check. Sorry. Now 31. So I just request to all the students, this is 32. Now I'll start 32. Read the questions. Read the question carefully. For any polynomials, px is one polynomial, and this is the polynomial, and then pa you got 0. Then what is a called? What is a called? Is it a constant of the polynomial? Is it 0 of the polynomial, degree of the polynomial, or coefficients of the polynomial? So remember, the value at which the expression becomes 0 is called 0 of the polynomial. We put the value of x here. You put the value of x. The value of x is a. We put the value of x is a, right? x is a. When we put the value of x a, after putting, you got the result is 0. Then this value, by putting this value of x is equal to a, you got the 0. When the polynomial becomes 0, this is called, what is called? This is called 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. After putting the value of x is equal to a, then result we got the polynomials become 0. Then this value of x, we put the value of x is a. So a is called 0 of the polynomial. So which is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. That is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Again, I am repeating, the value of which the expression becomes 0. The value of which the expression, this expression becomes 0 for what value? For value of x is equal to a. Then a is called 0 of the polynomial. Is it okay? Is it all right? Or you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can write in a comment box. It's all right. Sir, light is okay. Sir, sound is okay. No problem. Now, no more issue for the sound, right? No more issue for sound. So, is it clear? All right. Suppose, for example, another example with the examples, I'll show you one more example based on question number 32. Let's see. Let's see. For example, this is for examples of question number 30. Let us consider px is equal to 2x plus 3. This is also a linear polynomial. Now, if I'm going to put value of x, I will put the value of x is, if I put minus 3 by 2, then let's see. Have a look. If I put the value of x is equal to minus 3 by 2, here also, in terms of x, you have to put the value of minus 3 by 2, right? Plus 3. Plus 3. All right, then what will happen? This minus cancel, minus 3 plus 3. So, 0. The value for which the expression becomes 0. The value for which the expressions of 0, that is called zeros of polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. So these values x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is known as the zeros of polynomial. Right? Is it clear? So here minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. So I hope I can make you a clear, I can give you the clear idea, I hope. So shall we proceed to the next number, that is question number 33. So meanwhile, you just read the question number 33 and try to understand what the question says. Okay, if the question is clear, then it will be easier for you to give the answer. If you have a doubt in the questions, then you will be confused. So first read the questions once, twice, thrice. Okay, try to make it clear, then try to give the answer. So in question number 33, what it's tells, from the graph y is equal to px given below, for some polynomial px, then the numbers of 0. One graph is given, that is question, I am dealing with question number 33. One graph is supplied to you. The graph is like that. All right. In my previous chapter also, I had already described this type of questions. If you are new in this video, so you can my recording classes will be there. You can check the recording classes also. There also I had provided some details idea regarding the graph and all. So here one question is repeating from that chapter. So you have to find out the numbers of zeros. Now, to find out the numbers of zeros, you have to check that the graph, the given graph, which intersect the x-axis at how many points. This is the x-axis, right? X prime axis. This is called y. y prime axis, right? And this is the origin. Is it clear? This is the origin. Now check, this is the graph which enter the x-axis in how many points? This is 1 point, this is 1 point. So exactly this graph intersect the x-axis at 2 points. So answer will be, the options are given. Yes, options are given. What are the options? Option A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. So which will be the correct answer? So exactly this graph intersect the x-axis at 2 points. So 2. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. That is option B. Is it interesting? Yes, it's very interesting, and if you understand, it's very easy for you. So if suppose similar problem, if the graph like that, okay, can you see? If we draw an X star, this is X star. This is not there in the question paper, but for your understanding purpose, I have written one extra diagram, one graph. So now let us check, have a look that the graph intersect in x-axis how many points? Say here 1, 2, 3. Here numbers of the 0 of the polynomial is 3. Very simple. All right. I hope it's clear. Next number is 34. If it is clear, then we can go to next number, that is question number 34. This video especially for the students of SSLC students, that is the students of class 10, those who are going to appear the final exam in the month of February, that will start from 10th February 2025 for them. Especially, I'm dealing with mathematics. If the mathematics MCQ will be completed, then I will start science. So now we'll discuss with the question number 34. 34. So before that, let me check the comment. All right. Okay. All right. Everything is going on smoothly. Sir, your explanation is good. All right. Thank you. Okay. Sound is okay. No problems. Now, no more issue for sound. No more issue for light. So I can go smoothly. All right. If you have any doubt regarding the questions, you can write in the comment box. If it is not possible now, I can give you the answer later in my recorded class, recorded video, right? Okay. So if it is not possible to give the answer right now, so definitely I'm going to reply your comment. So if you have any doubt regarding those questions, you can write in the comment box, right? Now 34, read the question number 34. Sorry, a biquadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 3. That is also I had explained in my previous videos several times. That is, you have to find out the degree of a biquadratic polynomial. Now, before that, you should know what is biquadratic polynomials. Means polynomials whose degree is 4 is known as the biquadratic polynomial. Again, I'm repeating, the linear polynomials means polynomials whose degree is 1 is known as the linear polynomial. Polynomials whose degree is 2 is known as quadratic polynomials. Similarly, polynomials whose degree is 3 is called a cubic polynomial. And lastly, the polynomial whose degree is 4 is known as the biquadratic polynomial. So here options are very simple. Options are A1, B is 2, C is given 3, D is 4. Now I think easily you can answer. Can you tell me which is the correct answer? You can write in a comment box so that I can check whether you are really understood or not. All right. So biquadratic polynomial, as I said, biquadratic polynomials means degree is 4. Degree is 4. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial degree is 1. What do you mean by degree? The highest power of the variables is known as the degree. So, and then linear, then quadratic. Quadratic polynomial degree will be 2. Cubic polynomial degree will be 3 by polynomials is degree will be 4. So here in your questions it is given by quadratic polynomial. You have to find out the degree. So degree will be 4. Degree will be 4. The answer is D. Correct answer is D. All right. All right. Is it clear? I hope it's clear, right? Very simple. Several times I have repeated, and several times the question is repeating in your MCQ question sheet. So it will be easier for you to make it to give the answer, right? Now next question. What is that question is question number 35. The sum and product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax squared bx plus c are. So one polynomial is given, that is the general form of quadratic equations, ax squared bx plus c. This is called general form of quadratic equation. From this equation, you have to find out the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros. All right. I'll do this one. 34, question number 34 is just now we have completed, right? So far I don't think you have any doubt. So now I'll proceed to question number 35. General form of the quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c, it is given. All right. So you have to find out the sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros. What is the formula for sum of the zeros? Sum of, let me check. Sum of zeros. What is the formula of sum of zeros? Minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x squared. This is the formula for the sum of the zeros. This is the formulas for the sum of the zeros. You have to be remembered this formula, right? This is the sum of zeros formula for quadratic equations. So what is the value of, this is minus and is there, coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is b. This is the coefficient of x. This is x and the coefficient of x is b. Coefficient of x squared. This is the x squared. Coefficient of x squared is a. So sum of zeros is minus b by a. If it is in the general form of quadratic equations. If it is given the general form of quadratic equations, then the sum of the zeros is minus b by a. Now you have to find out the product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros. What is the formula for product of the zeros? As you know, constant term by coefficient of x squared. Coefficient of x squared, right? This is the formulas for the product of the zero. So constant term, this is the constant term. Constant term here is c. Then coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x squared is a. That is c by a. C by a. All right. Okay. So the answer will be option A. Option A. That is minus b by a. That is the sum of the zeros, comma c by a. The option A is the correct answer. Sum of the zeros is minus b by a. Product of the zeros is c by a. All right. Very simple. Now question number 36. Shall we proceed? Question number 36, if it is okay. Whatever the rough work I have written, so you can write on the side of your MCQ sheet. so that during the exam you can check it without solving. So it will be really save your time. So if you write the rough work on the on the side of the questions, right? So during the exam, by looking only, you will be ready for the exams, and it's really save your time as well. 35 is completed. Now we'll proceed to question number 36. Before that, once again, I am just requesting the students read the questions carefully. I hope everyone have this MCQ. Those who are going to appear the metric exam this year, and the year this year means 2025. So everyone have this MCQ. All the MCQ, 30 MCQ will come from this question booklet only. So no need to read extra thing. So from there only you will get the questions. I'll get the common questions. So out of 30, there is a chance to score a 30 mark from all the MCQ questions, right? The sum and the product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, these are. So one quadratic polynomial is, why it is called quadratic polynomial? Can you tell me? K square x square minus kx plus 1. This is the quadratic polynomial. Why it is called quadratic polynomial? As I explained already, the polynomial whose degree is 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. This is not a linear polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. You have to find out the sum and product of the zeros by the formula. Okay, here before that, can you tell me what is A? A is k square. Okay, coefficient of x. What is B? B is the coefficient of x, that is minus k, and C is the constant term, that is 1, right? Okay, A, B, C. All right. So sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. What is the formula? Sum of zeros minus b by a. Sum of zeros, that is minus b by a. So minus b, what is the value of b? B is minus k. What is the value of a is k square. So if we cancel minus minus plus, so cancel, k cancel, there will be 1, k will be cancelled. So 1 by k. 1 by k. Sum of the zeros is 1 by k. Now you have to find out the product of zeros. Similarly, product of zeros. What is the formula? Sum of the zeros is minus b by a, product of the c by a. So c is 1, and a is k square. So no need to simplify. So answer will be sum of the zeros is sum of the zeros is 1 by k. Product of the zeros is minus 1 by k. So what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? C. I think C. Option C. C is the correct answer. 1 by k. Sum of the zeros. Product of the zeros is yes, 1 by k square. So C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer, right? Sum of the zeros 1 by k. Simply put the formulas. That is, sum of the zeros is minus b by a. Product of the zeros is c by a. Before that, you have to find out a. What is a? What is b and c? A is nothing but the coefficient of x square. B is coefficient of x. C is the constant term. Yeah. Is it okay? All right. Now is the time to check the comment. Let's see any other comment. Okay. No comment so far is good. Is it clear? Is it legible? Can you see on the blackboard what is written on the blackboard? Can you see nicely? Can you tell me, students? Can you see nicely in the blackboard what is written there in the blackboard? Is it clear? If you write that everything is clear, so that I can proceed. Otherwise, I'll think that something is wrong. Whatever I'm explaining, it is not reaching to you. It is not reached to you. So that unnecessary, I'm just explaining. It is just meaningless, wasteless. So if you write, it's okay. Everything is going on smoothly. So I will get the confidence and I'll proceed. Right? Everything is clear. Okay. One comment is there. Everything is clear. That means everything is going on smoothly. I don't think there is any issue. So shall we proceed then? Question number 37. Okay. All right. 37. 36 is completed. Now I'll proceed 37. 37. In my next video, I'll start from 40, question number 40. Today, I'll try to finish up to question number 40. So in each video, I'll put 10 questions so that my video will be not that much long, so you won't feel any boring, right? I have to think about students also. Sometimes students, if you put a long video, sometimes they will feel boring and they won't watch the video. So within a short time, I'll try to finish 10 questions so that you can easily go through the questions and without boring, right? So next question number 37, right? Okay, question number 37. The sum, the zeros of the quadratic polynomial etwa. You have to find out the one polynomial is given, that is quadratic polynomial, 3x square, right, minus x minus 4. This is a polynomial that is called quadratic polynomial. Why it is called quadratic polynomial? Because the power degree is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial, no doubt about it. Okay, now you have to find out the zeros. So what are the options are given? I'll write the options here so that you can link with the questions, right? You can easily grab the answer from there. That's why I'm writing the questions. All right. -1 by 4 by 3, as well as I will read everything what I'm going to write on the board. All the times I will read so that you can easily catch up. So these are the options provided for this questions. What is the questions? The zeros of the quadratic polynomials. The polynomials is supplied to you, that is the quadratic polynomials. You have to find out the zeros. So now how can you do? You have to find out the zeros. That means you have to put it 0 because you are going to find out the zeros. So now the rule is that you have this is the ax square bx plus c. This form you have to do the middle term factorizations. This equation is in the form of ax square. Since it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So why I put 0? Because you are going to find out the 0. So this is in the expressions of ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. So you have to follow that. You have to solve it by the quadratic equations. When you find the values of x, that means the values of zeros, right? So middle term factorizations. So here what you have to do, you have to multiply. This is in the form of ax square. So that means you have to multiply this with this. 3 4s are 12. So at 12 we have to make it 1. There is nothing means there is 1. All right. 3 4s are 12. And 4 minus 1 still 3. 4 minus 1, that is also minus 4 is okay. If we multiply also, 3 minus 4, 3 and minus 4, you will get minus 12. All right. Okay. So we can take 4 minus 3, you will get 1. So 3x square minus, in place of 1, I will write what? 4 minus 3. X minus 4 equal 0. Break the bracket. 3x square. You have to multiply with the minus sign. Minus 4 as well as you have to multiply with the x. So minus into minus plus 3, there is x, right? This is the middle term factorations. Right from the class 6, you have started this middle term. You have started solving these middle term factorations. I don't think you have a problem to solve the middle term factorations, but still I am repeating, right? So now here you have to take a common. You have to take common. Okay. What is common out here? What is common out here? From these two terms, you have to take a common. Common means only x is common, right? X is common. So it will be 3x minus 4. Here from these two terms, nothing is common, so you have to take 1. 3x minus 4 equal 0. So these are the options. Okay, don't be confused. These are the options and these are the solutions. So now from here again you have to take common. What is common? 3x minus 4. Here is also 3x minus 4. Take 3x minus 4 is common. So what is left here? X plus 1. Now either this is equal to 0, either 3x minus 4 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. So if we find the value from, if this is 0, what will be the value of x? X will be, this will come plus 4 by 3. Here, if this is equal to 0, then what will be the value of x? X will be minus 1, right? So which one will be the correct answer? Which one will be the correct answer? 3 by 4 minus 1. 3 by 4 minus 1. So which one is the correct answer? C. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Minus C, 4 by 3. Minus C, first they have written minus, and the second they have written 4 by 3. So minus C. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Nothing you have to do. You have to do the middle term factorations. If you middle term factorations, you will get the value of x, and that will be the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. All right. Okay, is it clear? Or if you have any doubt? Is it clear, or if you have any doubt, then tell me. Next number is number 38. 38. Okay. All right. We are going to solve now question number 38. 38. Any new students who have joined just now? Any new students? Let me check. Have a look on the comments whether any new students are joined or not. Okay. I have to write in the middle, that means. Okay. All right. Very good suggestions. One of the students has written right in the middle. In my previous video also, one student from Shillong, I think, she's written several times that sir, right in the middle, but I couldn't notice her comment. So today I'm not going to write on my right corner. So I'll try to write in the middle so that it's legible. Sorry, I couldn't follow your comment. You have written several times, but today I'll keep in mind that I'll write in the middle. So don't worry, I'll write in the middle so that it's very clear to you. Okay. If the light is the light is sufficient? I think it's the sufficient is, though it is a little bit darker, but it is legible. You can see, right? My purpose is to just explain you everything so that it will be clear to you, right? All right. The question number 38. The zero of the quadratic polynomial. Again, one quadratic polynomial is given. That is x square minus 15. Right? You have to find out the zero. That means put this is equal to 0. Now I'll remember that I have to write in the middle. Okay. I'm not going to write in my right corner. Okay. So in my previous videos also, I have said so many comments that write inside, write in the middle, write in the middle. So this time I will always keep in mind that I have to write in middle, because while sometimes I'm while explaining, just I forget everything, I just start writing in my right corner. So this time I will keep in mind that I have to write in a middle, so that everything is, you can see. Okay. Okay, here also you have to find out, question number 38, you have to find out the zeros. So what we'll do to find out here, you cannot do the middle term factorization, because this is neither in the form of x square bx plus c equal to 0. It is not in the form of ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. So you cannot do the middle term factorization. So what you have to do, how you'll solve it to find out the value of x. So as you know that if you find the value of x, that will be the zero of the quadratic polynomial. So I'll apply some trick here. I will apply the formulas. So what formulas? Let's see. Have a look. X square. Okay. Then can you write 15? Can you write root 15 whole square? Can you write? Tell me. Can you write this one? Instead of 15, can you write root 15 whole square? Yes. Root 15 whole square means 15. So we can write. Now we can apply the formula a square minus b square. I think all of you are familiar with this formula. A square minus b square means what? A plus b, a minus b. You are well known of this formula, right? Very frequently we are going to use these formulas in various problems. So here also we are going to apply this formula. That is x square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Here a is this one and b is this one. So a plus b. A is x plus b is root 15, a plus b, then a minus b. All right, a minus b. Yes, I'm writing in the middle so that you won't face any problems. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. Now similarly, either this one is or this one is 0. So if I take either, if I consider this one is 0, either x plus root 15 equals 0, or if I consider this one, this product of these two numbers is 0. Either this is 0, maybe this one is 0. Anyone will be 0. Okay. So by taking these conditions, what will be the value of x? X is here minus 15. Here, therefore, x is, if we change the side, it will be plus 15. So answer is minus 15 and plus 15. Whether the answer is given? Yes. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. B, option B. So what is that? Plus root 15 and minus root 15. So this is the option B, and that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Yeah, I think it's clear. Now we'll proceed. Question number 39. All right. So I'm giving the time for the students to read the questions carefully, so that you can link with my explanations and it will be clear for you, right? Read the questions. I will giving the time to read the questions. What is the question say? The quadratic polynomials with 2 as sum and minus 8 as the product of the zeros. Here sum is given and the product is given. You have to find out the quadratic polynomial. You have to write the polynomial. Just reverse of the previous one. Here no need to find out the sums and zeros, already supplied to you, but you have to find out the quadratic polynomial, right? For that you have one formula. If you remember the formula, can you tell me? Now if I consider if I consider alpha and beta are the zeros, then all right, if I take in the in a quadratic equation with 2 as the sum. Oh, already sum is given and the product is given. Sum is given. Sum of zeros is equal to 2 and product of zeros. These are the two things is given to you. You have to find out the quadratic polynomial. Therefore, the required polynomial is, what is that formula? What is that formula? K is what? K is a constant term, which is K is a which is real number, non-zero real number. K is always, remember, it is constant. It is non-zero real number. Okay. Then formula is x square minus sum of zeros. Sum of zeros plus x plus product of zeros. Product of zeros. All right. Now put the values. K, x square, sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is 2 and x is there. You have to multiply with x plus product of zeros. Product of zeros is minus 8. Simplified it, minus bracket x square minus 2x plus minus 8. So here k is 1. It's a non-zero real number. K is 1. So what polynomial you will get? What is the polynomial? X square minus 2x minus 8. So according to me, this is the answer. Check it is whether it is there in the options or not. X square minus 2x minus 8. Yeah, option A is the correct answer. First option is correct. The option A is given. What is that? X square minus 2x minus 8. Exactly same thing we have got after simplification. X square minus 2x. So A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer, right? A is the correct answer. Is it clear? 39. So my last question for this video is question number 40, right? After that, I'll wind up this video, and then in my next video, I'll start from question number 41 to 50, right? So read the, meanwhile, you just read the question number 40. So I want that each video of MCQ mathematics should reach to the each students of those who are going to write the Mbose board SSLC exam. So I want that my video will reach to each and every student. So any underprivileged students, they will be benefited for that, right? Okay. Question number 40. Why I'm explaining this one? Because in the booklet which is provided or prescribed by the Mbose, there is no such explanation is there. Only the answer. I'm giving the explanation so that it will be easier for you to remember the option, to remember the answer. Also, if you forget, then you can find out by yourself. It's not, no need to memorize anything. Okay, this is just simple technique. Question number 40. The quadratic polynomials with the zero with 0 and minus 1 by 6 are the two zeros. Here zeros are given. So if I consider, let alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, right? No doubt is the quadratic polynomial of the polynomial. So we are consider alpha and beta. So here that means alpha is given when 0 and other two zeros. These are zeros. So alpha will consider 0 and beta will consider, what is that? Minus 1 by 7. So therefore the required quadratic polynomial is, what is the formula? Same formula, k x square minus sum of the zeros. That means alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, right? Okay. Before that, I will find out alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is alpha is 0, beta is minus 1 by 7. So that will be minus 1 by 7. Similarly, alpha into beta, that means 0 into minus 1 by 7. Anything multiply 0 is 0. Now put the values. K is a constant which is non-zero real number. So x square minus alpha plus beta, got minus 1 by 7x. This is 0. So we can neglect. K x square plus 1 by 7. So if we multiply 7x square plus multiply by 7, so you have to take 1 by 7. You have to divide 1 by 7 because here you are multiplying with the 7. 7 into x square. The 7 cancels, so we have to divide with the 7 as well. This phone is really creating a problems. Okay, anyway, so this will be the answer. Quadratic polynomial is 7x square plus 7. Okay. I think it's clear. So the option is given A, 7x square plus x. 7x square plus x. Oh, there I miss out x, right? X I miss out, x square minus 7x. So if I multiply 7x square, that is only x, sorry. We are multiplying with the 7. So 7x square, the 7 cancel, 1x, that is x. So here also you have to divide it by 7. So this is, don't take this one, 7. So this is the quadratic polynomial. 7x square plus x. 7x square plus x. So the option is A is correct. What is that? 7x square plus x. So this is the correct answer. Is it okay? Is it clear? I think it's clear. So with this, I have completed question number 40. So in my next video, as I said, I'll start from 41 to 50. So if you're new in my channel or in my videos, so just please subscribe so that whenever I'm going to upload any new videos, so it will be reached to you, right? Okay, so till then, bye. See you in my next video. Thank you all.